Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for October 23rd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair surged to the downside, pulled back significantly prior to the close, but did close lower. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 77.23, possibly as low as 75.46. Look for some resistance around 76.50, and look for some support around 75.75. Now, looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed higher during this last session, came right up to an area of resistance and stopped. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 140.32, possibly as low as 136.05. Look for some resistance around 139.15, and look for some support around 137.00. Now, the pound-US dollar pair, this pair broke through resistance on Friday, surging to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 161.09, possibly as low as 156.71. Look for some resistance around 159.75, and look for some support around 158.50. Now, the US Swiss, this pair surged to the downside, broke through areas of support, closed on its lows. We are looking for it to push lower. Potentially, though, on a reversal going as high as 0.9025, possibly as low as 0.8691. Look for some resistance around 0.8875, and look for some support around 0.8800. Now, as far as news announcements go, we do have the Australian Producers Price Index. That's being released today at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. That's for the third quarter. Consensus on that is that it has dropped from 3.4% down to 2.9%. Tomorrow we also have the New Zealand Consumer Price Index for the third quarter being released, and that's being released at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that one is that it has dropped from 5.3% down to 4.9%. Okay, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you go to the Euro-USD pair, you will see that we have an area of fairly strong resistance right here. And I'm looking for it to push through that area and move up to this area of previous support, which would now be resistance. This is going to be a move of roughly about 50 pips or so. Grabbing about 62 pips actually, from 139.09 up to 139.69. So looking for that to occur during this next session. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.